Hey guys, good morning. Big D here from Hot Ass Wood. Just want to show you a little something. Check this out, guys. This is why our wood is the best. You see this? This is ice. You see these bags? Look how pretty. I gotta take a picture. Look how pretty. You see these bags, all these bags do not get any ice in them. Look at this. It's snowed, it rained, whatever you want to call it, right? And there is absolutely none of this stuff going inside the wood. Yes, there's guys out there that sell bags of wood, open top or mesh, and all their wood is getting wet and iced like chicken legs, frozen drumsticks. Our bags are super dry because this ice, this water, this everything does not go inside the bag, all right? Just like you're wearing a jacket and you wear a hat or a rain suit or whatever you want to call it, an umbrella, when it rains and snows, so does our wood. Give us a call, guys, 845-320-CORD. We love you guys, and thank you for making us #1. All right, have a great day.